Here we go. All right. Yeah. Oh yeah. We're gonna have a good time.
More cowbell!
I got a fever. And the only prescription is for a cowbell. All right, Jake. Nice and easy. Just to keep it steady beat. Can you different? How drunk are you on a scale from 1 to 10? His answer was yeah. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Nice and loud. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Oh shit, okay. You give me the hundreds on blue. The band of D4C in New York City. As you put up some kind of a fight. Maybe then she covered me in roses. Just can't seem to drink you off my mind. So it's all over. Jake, it seems like you're ready for a solo. Are you ready? I'll tell you what here. Cowbell solo. 1, 2, 3, go. Guys, make some noise for Jake. So it's all over. Give me the honky tonk blues. What's that? So it's all over. Give me the honky tonk blues. Let's have a check, everybody.